Hi everyone, so we are actually checking out of the Banff Lodge at Banff. We have been here for 3 nights and roughly about 4 days. The weather's been fantastic, apart from yesterday. It was raining pretty much all day. But I just wanted to do an exit review of the hotel that we stayed in and just show you what room we were actually in. So this is the outside. I can't actually open the door because it's like a child lock, double safety, but that's our view from where we are. And as you can see right up there in the mountains up here, snow's actually fallen overnight up there. Can you see that? So it's got a little bit of a balcony. There's some lounge chairs. There's a little bit of a table. We've got the heating system there. The hell was running all day and all night. There's 2 double beds. There's like a little drawer thing there so you can put your stuff in. And then we've also got the TV. There was like tea and coffee. So that's the TV that we had. It was actually quite big. And then that was the drawers, as I said. There's also like a little chair thing here with a mirror. And in here, it's actually quite cool. There's a double sink. So we had 1 sink in there, which was great. And then there's a little mini fridge, which worked out perfect. And then we've got the main bathroom and sink in here. So you've got the sink, which was actually quite spacious. And actually, here's a sign that said we had to actually reuse our towels because they're obviously trying to conserve water for the community. We also had little shampoos, conditioner and some body wash in there as well. And then we've got the toilet and then we've got the shower, which was great. Heaps of pressure, water was nice and warm. But yeah, overall, it was a really, really good stay. Let's just turn the lights off and start heading out. Alrighty, done our final checks and we are out. Coming out of our room, we were in 318. So down the hall there's more rooms. On the other side, there's more rooms. And then we've also got... Morning, how are you?
Yeah.
Good.
Where you guys headed today?
We're off to Calgary today.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Enjoy that.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah.
See ya.
Take care.
So downstairs, if you go down, it takes you down to level 1 where the lobby is. That was another little walkway till we get to the escalators. So we're going downstairs to the car park. And they're here.